Hello everyone. Today, let's draw Peppa Pig together with the teacher. Let's get started. First, let's start by drawing Peppa Pig's nose. Draw a circle on the paper, and then around that circle draw a semi-oval. This will form the lower part of Peppa Pig's cheek. Next, use a curved line to connect Peppa Pig's nose and cheek. Now let's move on to Peppa Pig's eyes. Follow the teacher's steps to draw two circles, representing Peppa Pig's glasses. Connect the glasses with a horizontal line. Then, add Peppa Pig's eyes inside the glasses by drawing circles and dots. Next, draw Peppa Pig's cheeks and mouth. After that, draw Peppa Pig's ears, which are semicircles. Then draw Peppa Pig's body, which is also rounded. Draw a large oval shape around Peppa Pig's head to form the body, and add Peppa Pig's tail. Let's draw Peppa Pig's hands. Her hands look like little forks. Draw two diagonal lines and then add three pointy shapes like a small fork. After finishing one hand, move on to the other hand. This time, Peppa Pig is holding a paint bucket, so draw the paint bucket first. Draw a vertical rectangle with slightly curved ends. Inside the rectangle, draw an oval shape and add wavy lines to show the paint. Next, draw Peppa Pig's other hand holding the paint bucket. Now let's complete Peppa Pig's legs. The legs are simple like little socks. Add Peppa Pig's nose and then use a black marker to fill in Peppa Pig's eyes. Once the eyes are filled in, draw Peppa Pig's hand holding a paintbrush. After the paintbrush is drawn, it's time to color. First, use an orange marker to shape Peppa Pig's ears, nose, cheeks, and the shadow parts of the body. Then take a pink marker to color Peppa Pig's cheeks and hands. Use a purple marker to color Peppa Pig's feet, and a different shade of purple for the paint. Use a blue marker to color Peppa Pig's paintbrush, and a dark blue marker for the brush head. Finally, use a purple marker to draw a background pattern. Complete the lower part of the paper with wavy lines. Then, use magenta and pink markers to enhance the background. And there you have it. Our drawing is complete. Great job, everyone! Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.